Hi, I'm Kay, and today we're going to talk about meat skewers. Skewers of meat cooked in pizza party's Ardore oven. The secret to cooking them in the oven is only one. Apart from having an Ardore oven, of course. The right temperature. So there we have it, how to prepare delicious skewers of meat in the oven, which will be the envy of every barbecue maestro. The oven is at 300 degrees and it'll take about 5 minutes to cook the skewers. When cooking fatty foods like this, to avoid creating a lot of smoke in the oven, it's a good idea to put water in the bottom of the pan. "70 degrees, perfect." The good thing about the Ardore oven is that the skewers are cooked in 5 minutes, which is half the time of a normal oven. So here we are. The skewers are out of the oven, looking delicious, perfectly browned and ready to be eaten. Buon appetito!